reasoning models feel like magic, but using them carelessly can 10x your costs with barely any quality gain. Extended thinking gives models dedicated time to reason step by step for genuinely hard problems. Multi-step math, complex code debugging, logic puzzles with many constraints. This pays off. The model checks its own work mid-chain and arrives at substantially better answers than standard inference would. The catch is cost and latency. Thinking tokens are not free. They count against your token budget, and you are billed for them just like output tokens. A reasoning pass generating 10,000 thinking tokens can cost 10 times more than a direct response. Latency also jumps because the model must complete its reasoning chain before streaming begins. Not every task needs this. Simple lookup, straightforward summarization, basic classification, or short code completions do not benefit from extended thinking. For these, reasoning models are overkill. You are paying a premium for deliberation the model does not actually use productively. Most APIs let you set a thinking token budget. Cap it to constrain costs while still enabling reasoning for hard subtasks. Start low, then increase only if quality falls short. This gives you a dial between cost efficiency and reasoning depth. Use reasoning models for genuinely complex problems. Budget thinking tokens to control cost, and skip them entirely for simple tasks. Follow for more AI engineering tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.